Welcome back to another episode of your Digital Hustle News. As always, I'm Wade Teamer. Missed you guys yesterday. Sorry about that, but I had to handle some logisticals around the channel. Got some major surprises coming for you guys in the next few weeks. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on that. When I said global adoption with the global perspective, that was not a joke. But I am also excited about the headlines that I have for you today, guys. I got a lot of stories coming out the next couple of days. So, like I said, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I missed you guys, like I said in the beginning. Okay. But things had to be done outside of YouTube to enhance the YouTube. And now we're back. And we're back talking about Abra, guys. One of my favorite, if not the favorite platform that I use to manage my wealth. Okay. This isn't your regular trading platform. This isn't your typical exchange. This is a wealth management platform. Now, in this episode, we're going to talk about Abra's recent news. $55 million have been raised, bringing their total, uh, bringing the total amount raised to almost $100 million. Some of the participants involved in this recent series round of funding might interest you. So, we're also going to take a look at the market behavior, guys. Yesterday was really flat. However, this morning we have been performing exceptionally well, especially Hedera hash graph. Let's look at the weekly, guys. As you can see, we have skyrocketed to the moon. Now, I think in one of my previous videos when we were looking at some charts, and we haven't done a chart talk in a minute, I know, gonna get back to it, but um, I believe I said this was coming. It would take a couple weeks, but as you can see, it had unfolded. We had the solid contraction there, and then we sprang up. Now, judging by this top chart here, nothing's going to stop us. We are at 53 cents right now. A 53-cent H bar, you don't see that often, guys. So if you've been holding on to your H bar, that's why I've been trying to highlight HBAR on this channel, because I knew it was a decent project. It can make people a whole lot of money. And there's also some major news for HBAR that I'm going to be sharing with you today as well. They've been listed on KuCoin, which I'm pretty sure added to this momentum. But let's focus on BTC right now, because BTC being the driver of the markets, I noticed some very peculiar behavior. Now, in my recent video, I was highlighting this point here where we are. Let me just highlight that there, clear it up for you guys. But we were worried about this range here, whether or not we were going to come back down to this red median line here, then shoot back up. But it just seems that Bitcoin has decided to take other measures. So we're looking to straighten out that line and continue the monthly uptrend that we've been on pretty much since July. Yeah, since the end of July. So, taking a look at the weekly, guys, yeah, we're definitely trying to break the downtrend that was beginning to form. So, I guess some traders would call this a reversal pattern in the works. But on the chart at the bottom here, judging by the Bollinger Bands and their positioning, we're still in the upper hemisphere, which to me looks like we are in safe territory to retest that $50,000, $52,000 level again. Now, will we break it? Only time will tell. As we get closer to that, I'll keep you updated, guys. But some of the other top performers over the last 24 hours, we have IOTX looking very good. And I just discovered that you can stake IOTX on KuCoin. So if you're a fan of IOTX, I know I am. Investing in the IoT industry at that price is unimaginable. Okay. This is definitely something you want to look at. So, of course, make sure you check out KuCoin, guys. I got the links in the description. Theta has been having an epic battle with itself when it comes to prices over the last few weeks, guys. But Theta is doing good right now, up 8%, looking to retest that $7 mark again. Energy Web, another project that has been quiet after its recent rally, I want to say towards the end of August, where we had hit $13.14, came back down drastically with that flash crash. NFT up 6%. Just doubled down on that bad, guys. They got some big partnerships in the works. IOTA maintaining its levels. So, yeah, the markets, guys, are looking pretty substantial. H bar being the biggest performer right now. But let's get to the main story of the evening, the morning, the day, whenever you're watching it. Abra, the crypto wealth manager, raises 55 million in a Series C raise. Now, let's get into why this is exciting. The crypto wealth management platform Abra has closed a $55 million Series C fundraise just a little after over a year after settling charges with the U.S. regulators. Abra in 2020 paid out over $300,000 to both the Securities and Exchange Commission and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission to settle charges that it sold off-exchange swaps while unregistered. So let me highlight this to you guys if you're unfamiliar with Abra or you're looking for a new platform. Abra has already gone through the rigmarole with the regulators. They're solidified, they're backed, not going anywhere. Okay. You can pretty much safely say that they now, and have been for a while, but have the same level of relevancy as Coinbase. Okay. They just have less commercials right now. But continuing, the Mountain View, California based firm has bounced back with a funding injection led by Ignia and Blockchain Capital. New investors such as Kingsway Capital, Tiga Investments, and the Stellar Development Foundation also joined the round, alongside existing backers including AMX Ventures and CMT Digital Ventures. Founded in 2014, Abra has now raised $85 million to date. In a quote from Bill Barheit, Abra's founder and CEO, he stated cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and DeFi are now top of mind for almost all investors. The crypto asset class is growing exponentially, even outpacing early commercial internet itself. Our vision of crypto centric banking is coming to life in front of our eyes, and Abra is excited to serve as the leader in the space. Now, that is absolutely true, guys, because another point I want to highlight when it comes to Abra is because they have such a institutional support, backing, focus, a very wide global viewpoint of the cryptocurrency space. The assets that you see there, because they work with very reputable investors, high wealth clients on a more so basis. They also have the small accounts, micro farm workers all across the world. Abra is very spread out, and a lot of people don't realize it. But the one thing that I like the most is the fact that because they have such a strong relationship with tenured investors, that's the word I'll use. Because they have such a strong relationship with tenured investors over the years, the assets that are listed on Abra, you won't catch a rug pull on there. It's very, very, if it even happens at all, because the assets that are listed on Abra, they I believe their process is a lot different from the typical exchange. Coinbase will take anything that's got enough excitement behind it. But Abra, all of the assets on Abra have very strong utility and use case. Okay. And the community is also there as well with these projects, but you won't find any meme coins or no Shiba Inus or anything like that. Okay. So if you're looking for a platform with a long-term perspective, this is the platform for you. Now, before we go, guys, we're going to just take a look at the website. Once again, I want to reintroduce you to Abra. I know I've gotten a lot of new viewers since I did my last Abra video. So if you're wondering, what I use on a regular basis, what I use every day to store my crypto and manage my wealth, this is definitely one of the platforms. As you can see, over $20 billion in assets under management already. Okay. The interest earning features with Abra, guys, gotta love them. Okay. Right now, you can earn interest on Stellar Lumens, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Bitcoin Tether, and other stable coins. Paxos, someone you need to look out for. They just integrated into the Lightning Network. I got an episode coming out too this week about that as well. So they also have opened their borrow feature, which means that now you can take out loans against the collateral that's in your wallet. So you can take out a loan against your collateral without selling your crypto and still use that to invest in another crypto potentially without losing your original stack, basically. So it's another great program. Not to mention, guys, like I said, the institutional partnerships and relationships, Abra private clients, which allows, high income, high earners to get exposure to the crypto space. So, like I said, guys, Abra is the future. Abra is a very powerful platform, guys. It's got so many features, and now with the official clearing of any regulatory issues and this $55 million Series C funding being raised, you can honestly expect more features to come down the line for Abra. There is a big surprise actually coming pretty soon. Okay. I can't mention too much because that's how this game works. But you're gonna wanna you're gonna wanna position yourself before it happens. I'll just say that. So, with all that being said, guys, thank you for coming back to the channel and sticking with me through this journey. I appreciate each and every one of you as always. And of course, if you found value, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, so that way you never miss an update on global crypto adoption with a global perspective. And of course, you can reach me down in the comments. Links will be in the description for your convenience. So, with all that being said, guys, have a great day. Have a prosperous day. Most importantly, make that money. I'll see y'all in the next one.